What do you think?
Hello, this is Wendy from Wendys Woolies. Today what I want to show you is a granny square. This is a solid square and you can see there, and this is where the center piece is here, and then these are the increases, those holes here, and this is crocheted using a 4mm hook, and it is using the wool from Stylecraft Highland Heathers, and this is the ball of wool. The hook that I currently use, as I say, is 4mm. This is my hook here, and that is a stitch holder. So when you start with a granny square, you start most crochet with a slip stitch. For me, because I do this automatically, wrap the wool around my fingers there, and then pull the yarn through like that, and then pull both of those onto my finger. That makes a slip knot. You then put your hook in and you can pull that tight. Now, my very first time we use just that one stitch on there, and then you need to create a tension, and a tension is what you use to create a nice neat piece of crochet. So first of all, when you hold your hook here, hold it however it makes you feel comfortable. So when you hold it, I hold mine like a pen. Not everybody does. So this is a knitting needle. So when I use my knitting needles, that's also, I hold this in the same way as I would hold my knitting needle. Then to create the tension, you need to keep this one out of the way. So I use my little finger to do that, and then this one again is where you pull the tension again. So again, I put that over those 3 fingers and the other one through my little finger to create a tension. Then this is the difficult bit on the camera, so we're going to make a chain. So the thread is now through the hook there on the slip stitch, and because it's a slip stitch, it's loose. We can tighten that later if we necessary. So then put the thread over the hook, pull it through. Now you have a stitch, and again, so you now got 2 stitches, and again 3 stitches, and again 4 stitches. So now that's a chain. Now it's not very neat and it's not very tidy, but we can tidy that up, and however you want to do your chain, go for it. So something like that. Okay, so then we're going to join that up to make a circle. So again, leaving it as it is like that, pull this end piece round, and the very first stitch that we did that was loose, we go into that, we get our yarn, we put it into the hook and pull it all the way through like that. So now we have a circle. If you've got to that point, you've done really well, and we'll stop at that, and then we'll do some more later on. Thank you.